Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix fast charging when it's not working in your OPPO Find X9 Pro. At first, what I do recommend is to check the cable and charger for damage. Here we don't have the compatibility issues. Of course, when you use some TMO cables, TMO chargers or anything else, this won't work. So prepare for not buying any TMO chargers or cables. Return them if you have bought them. But any certified would work on your phone. As for the cables and chargers, the most important thing is damage. If your charger or if your cable is damaged, you have to replace it for another one. Now we can move to the next step, which is cleaning your USB Type-C port. You can use your flashlight, for example, like that, to check if here you do have some dirt. If you do have here some dirt, what I do recommend doing is to clean your port with non-metallic tool. This is very actually this is the key thing with non-metallic thing. It's because metallic thing can damage your charging port permanently. Can damage your phone, battery, and the port itself. Do it only with the plastic tools that you know that won't just break when you use it. It's because it's so tight here in the charging port, so that your plastic tool can be damaged. Personally, you can use some wooden things, but they are more likely to leave marks inside. Now we can move to the next step, which is going here into the settings and scroll down to the battery. Here in the battery, scroll even more down till you see charging settings. Here, as you can see, smart rapid charging. Enable it. Charge your device faster using a Arduino port adapter and cable. The device material will get warmer during charging. So the first key thing is that Arduino power adapter and the cable, you have it. You have to own it. The second thing, you have to have your option enabled, and the third thing is that you have to, but is the most important thing. This is the most important thing. Have to remember that your device might get warmer, and even if it can overheat, your smart rapid charging would be disabled. These are three key things to remember at all. And that's it for these charging settings. But if your fast charging doesn't work at all, you have to scroll all the way down in the settings and tap System and Update. Tap Software Update and update your phone as soon as you can. Here, as you can see, I do have the latest version because it came out not so long time ago. But if you do have any older versions or pending updates, update your phone to fix charging bugs. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.